In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a Docusign document into a PDF in just a few simple steps. Now, if you're ready, let's dive into the process. First things first, you're going to need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is widely recognized as a leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so if you're not familiar with it yet, you'll quickly understand why so many people rely on this service. Once you're on the homepage, look carefully at the top right corner of the page and you'll spot the login button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. After you've successfully logged in with your credentials, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is essentially your command center where you can manage all your documents and settings. Our focus today is to move towards an admin perspective, so look for the admin option and click it. This action will lead you to the admin dashboard where you have more specific controls over your Docusign account. Once you are in the admin section, the next step is to navigate to permission profiles. This feature allows you to configure and manage permissions for different users, but today we're going to use it to tweak some settings regarding document delivery. Click on Permission Profiles to proceed. Finding yourself in the Permission Profiles area, your task is now to locate the Signing Settings option. This part of Docusign is crucial because it helps you establish how documents are signed and delivered within your account. A simple click on Signing Settings will take you further along in our journey. As you enter signing settings, you will now need to direct your attention to the envelope delivery option. It might sound a little technical, but don't worry, this is simply where you define how your completed documents are sent out. Click on envelope delivery to access these important controls. In the final stage of this process, you're going to look for the option that says deliver self-signed email, a critical setting when aiming to convert your document into a PDF format. Within these options, find and click on PDF to ensure your document is delivered in the format you require. And there you have it. With those straightforward steps, you've now successfully transformed your Docusign document into a PDF file. It's a handy way to keep your records in a universally accessible format that's perfect for printing, archiving, or sending across various platforms. Thank you for staying with me through this quick tutorial, and I hope you feel more empowered in managing your digital documents with Docusign. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one.